working on creating the headline for your website. So basically, if you look at the top of the page here, this section here is what we'll be working on now. And in this, it's got a couple of different features. Okay, so we can do an image with a background image and some text over it with a button. We have different things where you can put it right or left. You can do a video in the background. If you want to do a video in the background, that's going to look similar to this. So we're going to do video background, choose the video, and hit save, hit refresh, and you'll see now that a video will be in the background of this here. So there are a number of different things we can do here. You can do just text as well. And so how we're going to do this is go again to page header, and this can be a little tricky, so I want to be patient in showing you there. In this section, okay, you're going to be choosing what type of header you're going to have. So you can have text with a video image on the right, okay? So you can have just text and a video or image on the right, or just text up top, or in the case I just got is a video on the background now, or just an image background, or an image or video on the right. So you got right, left, just text, video, and then image. So you got 4 or 5 different options there you can choose from, okay? And then here, basically you can just leave that. It's going to be automatically the header button, okay? And if you have a video, you can choose what video you want to put on the background, all right? What you want the link to do on the page is right here. So if you want to link to another page or pop up a form, I'm going to have it pop up a form, okay? And the header sizes, so the size, the H1 size here, okay? So if we go here, the H1 size is this right here, and the H2 size is there. So we're going to go and see that right there. And if you want the text to be on the right, left, or center, okay? And here's where you add your headline, your subheadline, okay? Your button text right here, okay? The link that you want the button to go, if it's going to be a linked, okay? Here you can add like a little space if you want the top to be, say, a little longer. So the space down below the button here, we have a little extra space there. That's how you do that. And as well, you can do a pop-up form. So here's the pop-up form title right here. So when that pop-up happens, okay, so it's going to pop up right here. What that's going to look like right here, here, and here, and then over there. So we're going to have that as the headline. This is the subheadline. Here's some optional text. And then the link, the button name. And that's going to be a pop-up button. It's already kind of set. We'll talk about buttons a little later. And then right here's the validation to help slow down the robots from getting into your opt-ins. So you put a validation code in here, so people have to type in a validation code. So if you go here and you click on this, it'll say enter the word BMX person in here. So it'll help reduce the robots from getting into your opt-ins. So adding all of that, again, very simple. If you just follow the instructions on each one of them, add it in, and then you'll have your thing. We give you a basic preview it here. It's probably going to look a little better on the actual page. So if you go to the page and hit refresh, or the eyeball, it'll come up and it looks good. So again, we're in edit mode, so it's going to look a little different, but this is the header, basically creating the header, adding your text, the buttons, and the backgrounds, and that is how you do it here.